In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a template in Hostinger's website builder. Whether you want to refresh your site's look or start anew with a different design, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. We'll cover everything from selecting a new template to publishing your freshly redesigned website. So, let's dive right into it. First, we need to navigate to the Website Builder editor. Begin by logging into your Hostinger account and heading over to the H panel. Once there, you'll find a tab labeled Websites. Click on it, and then look for the option to Edit Website. This will take you directly into the Website Builder editor, where all the design magic happens. Now, with the editor open, look to the top left corner to locate the Website Builder menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Change Design. This is where the transformation begins. You'll be presented with the option to choose between AI-generated layouts and pre-made template designs. Each option offers its unique flair, so take a moment to explore and see which suits your needs best. Now, it's crucial to acknowledge an important step. Changing your site's template will erase all of your current content. This includes your text, images, pages, and styles, so be sure you're ready for this change. If you haven't done so already, back up your site if you want to preserve the existing design, because once you confirm this step, there is no going back to your old design. Once you're prepared, it's time to select and apply a new template. Browse through the array of templates organized into specific categories like portfolio, e-commerce, or event. These categories help streamline your selection process and present choices that align with your site's purpose. Make sure to preview each template in both desktop and mobile layouts so you understand how it will appear to your audience. When you've found the template that feels just right, click Select or Start Building. The builder will immediately swap out your existing design for the new one. Next comes the fun part, rebuilding your content. Since your original data won't carry over automatically, you'll need to manually re-add your pages. This is where your saved resources come in handy. Copy and paste text, upload images, and set up your forms, menus, and any other features your website needs. It's also essential to adjust design elements like fonts, colors, and layout to ensure they align with your brand's identity. Take your time in this step to get things just right. Finally, after you've tailored everything to your liking, it's time to publish your new site. Simply click Publish or Update to make the changes live for the world to see. If at any point you wish to review previous versions, just use the Site History feature, which can be accessed via the clock icon. This allows you to preview or even revert to an earlier version if necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Hostinger website template and launched a fresh, new look. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.